Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to customize notification sounds on Android 16. Let's begin. First, go to the settings, then scroll down a little and go to sounds and vibration. In here, scroll all the way down and you should see default notification sound right here. So now we can click on it, and now we can simply choose between many different built-in sounds or custom sounds in order to change our notification sound. So I will go to, let's go to retro riffs, and now let's go with jackpot. Now we don't really have sound on, so we won't be able to hear it, but I'm sure it's a pretty cool notification sound. So after we have chosen our sound, all you have to do is simply hit save, and now our new default notification sound is set and our notifications will sound differently. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.